The different types of synesthesia. When a sound triggers a specific body sensation, such as tingling on the back of one's neck, this is known as auditory tactile synesthesia. Chromesthesia is a condition in which certain sounds, such as a car horn, cause someone to perceive colors. When letters and numbers are connected with specific colors, this is known as grapheme color synesthesia. Hearing particular words generates various taste, which is known as lexical gustatory synesthesia. Mirror touch synesthesia is a type of enhanced empathy in which a person feels as if they are being touched while watching it happen to someone else. Number form occurs when a mental map of numbers involuntarily appears whenever someone thinks of numbers. Ordinal linguistic personification is a type of synesthesia in which ordered sequences, for example the days of the week, are linked to personalities or genders. Spatial sequence synesthesia involves seeing numbers or numerical sequences as points in space, close or far away.
Synesthesia is a condition in which a mixing of senses occurs. For example, sounds trigger the experience of color. Synesthesia is a conscious experience of systematically included sensory attributes that are not experienced by most of the people under comparable conditions. The cognitive psychology. This, or the functional brain, imaging, and electrophysiology have shed considerable light on the top of the nature of synesthesia and neurocognitive underpinnings. These cognitive and physiological findings are discussed with neuroanatomical framework comprising hierarchically organized cortical sensory pathways. People who have synesthesia have advantage of it. Synesthesia isn't a disease or disorder. It won't harm your health or doesn't mean you are mentally ill. Some people who may have it may do better on memory and intelligence tests than those who doesn't have it.
Causes of synesthesia. People who experience synesthesia are usually born with it or develop it very early in childhood. It's possible for it to develop later. Research indicates that synesthesia can be genetically inherited. Each one of your 5 senses stimulate a different area of your brain. Looking at the bright neon yellow wall, for example, will light up the primary visual cortex. At the rear of your brain, if you have synesthesia, you will also feel like you can taste the color of the wall while you look at it. So not only will your primary visual cortex be stimulated by the color, your parietal lobe, which tells you what something tastes like, is stimulated too. That's why researchers believe that people who have synesthesia have a high level of interconnectedness between the parts of the brain that are tied to sensory stimulus. Some substances can cause you to temporarily experience synesthesia. The use of psychedelic drugs can heighten and connect your sensory experiences. Mescaline, psilocybin, and LSD has been studied for their ability to induce this phenomenon. But other stimulants like cannabis, alcohol, and even caffeine have also been shown to cause temporary synesthesia.
Synesthesia does not have a cure. Many people anecdotally appear to prepare seeing the world in a different light than broader public. Some synesthetes, on the other hand, believe that their condition isolates them from others. Because they are so dissimilar, people may have difficulty explaining their sensory experiences. Finding online groups of other synesthetes may assist in alleviating this sense of loneliness. Speaking with a mental health expert can also assist you in recognizing the value synesthesia can bring you to your life. Instead of having a dominating brain side, right or left, you can find that when you pursue employment you love, both sides of your brain harmonize or harmoniously.